Hello, this is Sarah. I'm calling about an order I received yesterday. It's not what I ordered, and I'd like to sort this out.
I'm really sorry to hear that, Sarah. Could you please provide your order number so I can take a look?
Sure, it's hash A 45,678. I ordered a black dress, but I got a green sweater instead. This mix up has really thrown me for a loop.
I completely understand how frustrating that must be. Let me pull up your order details. Ah, I see the issue here. It seems there was an error in our warehouse. I'll do everything I can to set things right.
Thanks, but I'm really disappointed. I needed that dress for an event this weekend, and now I'm in a tight spot. Can you expedite the correct item?
I totally get that. Unfortunately, the dress you ordered is out of stock at the moment. How about I process a full refund for you, or perhaps offer a discount if you choose something else?
I appreciate the gesture, but I really had my heart set on that dress. A refund would be great, but I also need to know how soon you can arrange for the return of this sweater.
No worries. I'll arrange for a prepaid return label to be sent to your email. Once you ship the item back, the refund will be processed within 5 business days.
All right, that works, but could you sweeten the deal a bit? This whole experience has been a hassle, and I've been left high and dry for my event.
You've been a loyal customer, so here's what I can do. I'll offer you a 20% discount on your next purchase as a goodwill gesture. Does that sound fair?
That's a nice gesture. I'll take it, though I still hope this won't happen again. I'll be keeping a close eye on future orders.
I completely understand. We always aim to get things right the first time. Thank you for your patience and understanding, Sarah. I'll send over the return instructions and discount code shortly.
Thanks, Mike. I appreciate your help. I'll keep an eye out for the email.
You're welcome, and again, sorry for the inconvenience. Have a great day ahead.